friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have again closed negative, closing below 40 daily moving average, 40 and 20 daily moving average, which is negative for the markets. Short-term trend still negative, and I'll be expecting at least 5900 in the short term. The momentum indicator on the daily charts have given a sell signal, so the strategy should be to sell on rise. An ending diagonal pattern has formed and it has broken on the downside, forming low tops, low bottom. So more downside expected, which is negative for the markets. On the hourly chart, a small ending diagonal, expanding ending diagonal pattern has broken on the downside. Lower tops, lower bottom formation been forming on hourly charts. So negative for the markets. But the momentum indicator on the hourly charts is oversold and has also given a buy signal. So there is a chance of a small bounce till I think 20 or 40 hourly moving average, which is around 6050 and 6100. So that will be very crucial for the markets. These levels would be very crucial for the markets in the very short term. Bank Nifty has also closed below 20 and 40 daily moving average, breaking this channel on the downside. The momentum indicators on the sell side, it has given a sell signal, so the strategy should be to sell on rise. There might be a small bounce even in this, because all the banks are very oversold on the hourly charts. So there might be a small bounce or consolidation in this area, but overall trend remains weak and I'll be expecting more downside. Support for Bank Nifty would be around 10,220 and 10,000. Resistance would be around 10750 and 10950. LIC housing is looking negative. A small flag pattern has formed here, bearish flag pattern formed here on the hourly charts. This trend line, upward sloping trend line, has broken on the downside, facing resistance at 20 daily moving average, which is negative for the stock. The momentum indicator is also on the sell side, so the stop loss should be around 216.60 and target would be around 206.20 and 200. The second stock we've chosen is Union Bank. This bank has been trading in this broad range, a big range, and I'll be expecting this range. To break on the downside. The momentum indicator is on the sell side, so go short on this stock. Banks are already weak. These stock specific actions still can drag these banks down. So stop loss should be maintained at 122.20 and target would be around 117 and 114.50. So overall, friends, things are still looking negative. There might be a bounce, there might not be a bounce, but if we get a bounce, there will be an opportunity to sell. 6100, 6150 is the upper end, and I'll not be expecting markets to go above 6150 levels in the very short term. But in the short term, the targets on the downside would be around 5900 and 5850. Thank you so much.